Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to generate stove and chimney hood. Let's try it together. Go to Interior Design Tools. Select Advanced Tool, Kitchen and Bath. Then select the Generate Stove from the top toolbar. Enter the generation page. Select the cabinet that needs to be generated. Then select Add Stove Style and Chimney Hood Style in the right basic panel. After selecting the appropriate style, determine the installation type and alignment. Modify the stove margin at the spacing mode. Then click Generate. After successful generation, click Finish to exit the Generate Stove interface. The generated effect is as follows. That's all. Thanks for watching.